Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's discuss some networking basic concepts, question and answer. These questions are very important for you to understand some terms related to networking. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's see each question one by one. The first question, what is networking device? The term networking device is the hardware components that facilitate the communication and data transfer between different devices within a network, such as the hub, repeater, bridge, wireless access point, switch, router, gateway, and so on. Those types of device can be considered as a networking device. The second question, what is modem? What means modem in network? The concept modem is a device that helps the computer to send or receive data over the telephone or cable lines. The data stored on the computer, as we know, is digital, whereas the telephone line or the cable wires can transmit only analog data. So that terms can be the analog and the digital can be converted with the modem. Analog to digital and digital to analog. So the modem is used for those purposes. The modem that is used to convert the digital signal into analog and vice versa simply is a combination of two devices. The modem device that includes the modulator and demodulator. The modulator that converts the digital data into the analog data when the data is being sent by the computer, while the demodulator converts the analog data signal into the digital data when it is being received by the computer. So, modem is a networking device that helps to facilitate data communication on the role of the converting analog and digital and vice versa. The third question, what is node? What does the term mean by node? Node means any device that can send, receive, or forward data in a network. Thus includes the laptop, the mobile, printer, robots, and the servers as an example of node. So any device that can send and receive as well as forward data in a network, which is known as the node. What is transmission media? The transmission medium, the physical or wireless medium through which data travels between devices or connect nodes for data transmission through it. The wire media like the Ethernet cables, optical fibers, where the wireless media are the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, infrared, and so on. Between them, the receiver data, the sender data can transmit over the transmission media to the receivers. So transmission media can be classified as wired media, guided, and wireless media, unguided types of media. What is a NIC or a network interface card? The NIC or the network interface card, which is a hardware component that allows the device to connect to the network. This part is the network interface card. It allows computers to connect to a network and to enable communication, the resource sharing among data communication equipments. 6. What is bandwidth? The term bandwidth is the maximum rate of data transfer across a network or across a given path. So the maximum rate of data transfer across a network or on the given path is bandwidth. What's latency? Latency is another. It is the time it takes for data to travel from the source to the destination. From the receiver to the destination, what's the total time taken for that data? There is the sender and the receiver. When the sender sends the data to the receiver, the data destined or arrive on the receiver in what time it takes. As you know, a server, which is the request reply the client or the user PC as a receiver. So from the data from the server to the receiver are the amount of time it takes. So the network latency totally the request time plus the response time. That is the user PC or the client requests, it takes some time, and the server sends a response, it takes also time. So the network latency over the overall network latency, the sum of the request time and the response. But the latency, the time taken for data travel from the source to the destination. Simply latency means. What is throughput? In the network, throughput is the amount of data transmitted successfully over the network in a given amount of time. In a given amount of time, how much data is the amount of data transmitted successfully to the destination, from the source to the destination. Usually, the amount of data transmitted over the given time is measured in bit per second, kilobit per second, sometimes megabit per second, or any gigabit per second can be used to measure the throughput. What are the difference between throughput and latency? The difference between throughput and latency, as we know, the throughput, which is the rate of successful data transfer between the sender and the receiver, while the latency, which is a time delay in data transmission, the time it takes from the receiver to the from the destination, from the sender to the destination when the data moves. When we see the measurement in throughput, we can measure the bit per second, kilobit per second, megabit per second, and so on. But in the latency, measured in milliseconds only, for the time it takes. But throughput, the rate. Throughput focuses on capacity of the network, while the latency, the speed of data transfer. When we see the impact on the throughput, the final download, streamings, quality, while real-time communication, like gaming, video call, and so on. When improvements, increasing bandwidth, how to improve the throughput? By increasing bandwidth, optimizing network resources, while in the latency, reduce distance in order to reduce the collision, improving network device and reducing congestions. These are the improvement or solving that the throughput problem in the latency. Question number 8. What are the difference between throughput and latency? Is this is the last question. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.